In this video, I will discuss or will talk about EternalBlue. Have you heard about EternalBlue? It's a notorious exploit developed by the U.S. National Security Agency. Imagine your government is developing an exploit, and the problem of this one is that it was leaked by the hacker group Shadow Brokers in the year 2017. It takes advantage of the vulnerability in the server message block or the SMB protocol of older Windows operating system. So if your Windows OS is using SMB version 1, then it is vulnerable of this attack. The relationship of this eternal blue with the WannaCry is that this exploit was used by WannaCry, uh, which is a ransom attack that emerged in May 2017. It is just a month after the leak of EternalBlue. It spread rapidly across the globe by exploiting this EternalBlue vulnerability to infect vulnerable system. So, as you've heard that about a ransomware where hackers will get your data, very important data. They zip it and then put a password on it, and you cannot use it until you give money to the hacker so they can give you in return the password. The problem is sometimes when you pay the hacker, they will not give you the password, but they will ask for more. So that is costing a lot of companies worldwide. So we will try to see how hackers do this kind of exploit. First, we'll go to our terminal. By the way, uh, this is my Windows 7 machine running on VirtualBox. Let's check our let's check the IP address of this one. IP config. So the IP address is 192.168.1.5. Okay. So in our Kali Linux, we will run our metasploit. That's sudo msf console. Will take a while. Okay, I'm running metasploit 6.4.20. Okay, so we are here now. We have the MSF6 prompt. We don't know the exact module, so we can do the search. Search eternal. Any keyword will do. Okay, so we are interested on this one, this module. This module is an MS17-010 external blue SMB remote Windows kernel pool corruption. We will use this one to exploit this machine. So you'll type use, the number is 0, so use 0. And then we will set some parameters. To know what parameters we need to set, you will have to type show options. Okay. So we have here the required fields: our host, our port, these two, verify args, verify target, then this one here. But it's only the R host that we don't have the value, so we will set the value for that. R host is the target host, meaning this machine, which has this IP address. So set R hosts 192.168.1.5. Okay. We can do show options again to see if it's there already. Now, once you have set all the required fields, you can run the exploit. Either you type run or you type exploit. So now it is checking. It says the target is vulnerable. Okay, so we are in. As you can see, we have Meterpreter Session 1 opened. So let's try to type ls to check the directories. See, we have the files, and these files comes from this machine. Let's try cd users ls cd jang ls. Let's try to see the desktop of this user. cd desktop ls. So as you can see, we have the, or we can see the files of this computer on the desktop. Now, for example, if I have here a file, let's say confidential, the text, and let's say this file has your confidential data. So what will happen now is that the hacker can get your data, or if he wants to delete that, del confidential that txt can delete it. See, it's gone. So imagine if you have the file and the hacker will be able to get it, zip it, and put file on it, and ask for ransom. That's again a classic example of a ransomware attack. So it is really very important that you secure your machine, like putting antivirus, firewalls, updating your software. If there's a new operating system, you install the latest operating system because the patches from the previous operating system is already addressed. So that's all. Again, make sure to secure your machine.